Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually use a FPS counter in all the Ubisoft games, so a frame rate counter. It's very easy, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your Ubisoft Connect and here sign into your existing account. Now here we go to the little icon right here, your profile picture, and from there you go down to your settings. Now inside your settings you have your interface. Now this is all what's happening inside the screen, and here you can already see the in-game interface. We have the display FPS counter in-game. Now simply press close, and here now the FPS counter is enabled. Now you can use the FPS counter and check your in-game frame rate. It's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me a lot, and thanks for watching.